guys, today I'm going to destroy Ducati with this thing. But on the serious note, today I wanted to make a video of the best shooting angle with your cameras while riding motorcycle. And this angle will be a bit unusual. My friend sent me this video that you can see in here of the best angle for shooting yourself from the front. So today I will try to do that. The bad thing about it is that I will have to destroy, I don't know if I can say destroy, but damage my windscreen. But either way, when I'm filming with my GoPro camera, this windscreen is not very good because it's very short and the top of it gets in the way of the view. So either way I will have to change it. So for me it's not a big deal. But what I will use today, I have some bits in here. So of course I will use two different cameras. One is Insta360 X2 and the other one is GoPro Hero 11. I have some adapters in here. This one is for GoPro camera to go on the stick. This adapter for the stick, of course the stick itself, and that's it. So the first thing I'm going to do is to drill a hole. The guy in the video drilled a hole on the top of the windscreen, but I tried to see what is the best camera angle, and I think the lower it is, the better. So I will try to do something like this in here, this part. I never drilled anything in my life, so just wish me luck. Very messy job. I think the pieces of the windscreen are everywhere, but I will make sure to clean everything properly before riding. Let's see if it fits. Who's the boss? Who's the boss? Perfect job. In my eyes. I'm so talented, so perfect, can do everything, woman power, amazing, oh my god, better than men in the garage. And now we'll try to secure the stick. So the first thing I'm going to do is to attach these two bits. And I will secure this thing to a quad lock bracket, like the part in here. And one tip for all of you, make sure it doesn't touch any moving elements of the bike. For example, steering handles, when you're moving them, you know, this part for me it's not moving. For different bikes can be different, so just have this in mind. I'm not sure if it will hold, but at least the camera will be in front, so if something happens, I will be able to see it. Okay, I think it's good. And as you can see, nothing is touching. Everything is installed. So far, looks great. All you have to do is just attach your camera as usual, go for a ride, and hopefully enjoy the view. So now what I will do, I will go for a ride, take both of my cameras, and when I get back, I will show you the view from both of them. Okay, so I'm all after the ride. I filmed with both of the cameras. The first camera I will review will be Insta360. So talking about this camera in general, I just hate the quality of it. Like comparing to GoPro, it's a no-no. So that's why I'm just borrowing it from my friend and not buying it yet, at least. But talking about the view, I think it was great. Like you couldn't see the stick or the hole in the windscreen. Also, it was not too shaky. I tried to ride in the higher speed and also slower, maneuver all around, you know, and I think this camera is quite great, and I think it's the best view you can get from the front. So if you are making TikTok videos or Instagram videos, I think it will definitely upgrade everything you are creating on your social medias. On YouTube, I wouldn't recommend it, I think, just because of the quality, because you don't want to make bad quality videos, you know, on there. But on the Reels, for example, I think it's great. And now talking about GoPro camera, first things first, I don't know if everybody has the same problem. When it starts shaking more, it shuts off. So that's what happened on the higher speed filming with GoPro camera. Another thing is that like the angle is okay, you know, the quality is great, but the fact that you can see the stick and the hole and everything, I think it's definitely not worth it to make it like this if you only have GoPro camera. I wouldn't recommend it, at least me, you know, but you see the video yourself, so if you like it, do it, you know. But that's my short review about everything. I think I will definitely keep borrowing my friend's camera just to prepare some reels for the winter time, you know, just some different ones. But with GoPro, I don't think I will film like this anymore. So for now, that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave a thumbs up. Also, I wonder if you like this idea. Would you do it yourself? So comment down below. I'm interested to hear it. And as always, kisses. Bye.